Yeah, got one.
Oh no, that's it. Got him. Yep, got him.
Yeah, got a small one.
Yep, got another one. Oh no, this thing is gonna spool me. So good afternoon everyone. A bit of a different one today. We're here on the beach having a great time with the families. My friend Baz there, and we're just gonna go for a flick, see if we can catch a couple of flatties. I usually do get a few here, even though it's very busy. These lagoons usually produce very well. There's a little lagoon here, that's a big lagoon there, and then there's the ocean at the back. So the flow at the moment, as it's outgoing tide, is going from this little one into the big one and then out into the ocean. So I'm going to concentrate all the efforts. Last time it was incoming and we got a lot of fish here as it was flowing in from the big one to the small one. Now I think it's going to be the opposite, and we're going to be targeting all that area where the little one flows into the big one. It forms like a bit of a drain. So we're throwing double clutches as usual. Hopefully we get a few. Say hi, Baz. Hello. Wish us luck. Can probably start flicking from here. So it's probably a little bit too close to the small lagoon. We probably want to target that area a bit more. But we're gonna start flicking here anyway, just in case we find something. And what we're doing is just slow rolling the double clutches along the bottom. Simple as that. It's all very shallow, so I think there's a little bit of a channel on there. So that's probably where we want to concentrate. Double clutches are just so good. 95mm double clutch is such a great lure. Perfect whiting imitation. Plenty of bait fish here. I can see them flushing, so that's a good sign. There must be predators somewhere not too far. I would be twitching and pausing a little bit more if the tide was still, but the tide is running now, so fast retrieve should do the job. Oh look, did you see the bait fish jumping?
No.
There's something chasing them.
Okay.
They were jumping like hell. So there's definitely... Oh, hit.
The master is getting the hit straight away.
Oh, I did get a hit.
Let's just get it on camera.
Ah, come on. There's definitely something in there, and it's got to be a flatty. They're just sitting in that deeper channel, so if we pepper that area, we should get him. Oh, they went too far.
Oops, that went on the other bank.
I think I got some weed, unfortunately. Yeah, there's a bit of weed in this area.
Hey, pufferfish. That's not what I...
Ooh, look!
Yeah.
Did you see all the bait spraying?
Yeah. I need to deal with this dead mother here.
Surely it's not the pufferfish chasing them. Could be. I don't know. Oh, I just got some weed again, unfortunately. Yeah. Problem with using plastics here is that the toadfish eat them. They're a pest. Toadfish here are an absolute pest. So that limits you to only using hard bodies. You want to avoid that. I would be tempted to use a bent minnow if I had one. I don't think I brought one. Oh, look at the turtle.
Yeah, it's a big turtle.
Big turtle, look. Way. Yeah, you don't want to hook them up.
Yeah, let him cross a little bit.
Yeah. He's gonna cast that way. He's going the other way. We will be just walking and following the drain. I'm not sure if you can see it. You can see this drain. It's going that way into the big lagoon. So hopefully the flatties are somewhere along here ambushing all this bait that at some point will move out into the big lagoon. I've been walking here on low tide and there's heaps of flatty lays everywhere, so I know they do this. I know they tend to sit in this area. There's a bit of a ledge here, and that's always something that they use to ambush the prey. Surprised we still haven't got one, but it'll happen. It's just a matter of finding them, and when we find them I'm sure we're gonna get several from one spot. That's why it's important to keep yourself mobile. Don't get stuck in a place. Just keep working the area relatively fast. You want your lure touching the bottom. Oh, look at the flatty! Oh, I just spooked it. It's right there. It's right there. Yep. That's right there. Yeah, it definitely swam this way and stopped here where this dark patch is, which I guess is a bit of a weed patch. You got one? Yeah. Awesome. Jumping flatty. Yeah, got one. You got one? Yeah. Awesome.
Jumping flatty action in the shallows. How good is that?
Yeah, they're around.
Hang on. What happened?
No, that's a... Oh yeah, that's
the small flatty. Yeah, okay.
Small flatty. It's a bartail, isn't
It's a beautiful one, yes.
It's a bartail.
I have to be very gentle with this fella.
It's one of those with the yellow tail.
Yeah, I don't want to hurt him. I just make sure he's nice and tired.
So we found where they are.
Yeah, looks like it.
Bigger one.
Okay, where are you? Come here. That's the only thing with the double clutch. It's always a bit of operation to get those hooks out. Okay, that's beautiful flatty. Don't want to get spiked. I'm gonna play this very gentle, but I might get it. That's it. Settle down, baby. Alrighty. So look at this. Nice little flatty. Look at the beautiful patterns on the tail fin. It's beautiful. Nice little fella. Just gonna release her. Off you go, buddy. Yep, off she goes.
Another one! You kidding me? Oh, yeah, that was a hit. Definitely got another hit there. I did get a little hit over there now, which felt more like a brim hit than... Oh no, that's it! Got him! Finally! It took It took a little bit of time to get them to eat it properly. I don't think it's legal. I don't know. What do you reckon? No, I don't think it's legal. It's probably just legal. This one is a dusky. Poor guy's got a hook in its eye. Do you reckon this is legal? That's 25. Is there another 15 in there?
Yeah, but just.
But
14.5.
But it just lost its eye. So, what do you reckon?
Yeah, we can take it.
I think we take it. So, nice flatty. We're gonna take this guy home because, yep, that's just on the legal side. So, I usually don't take them so small, but he got a hook in its eye, so poor fella. I don't think he's gonna be hunting very well from now on. Now we're in a mission to catch a few and make it a dinner. Yep. Oh, that was definitely a hit. Third hit of the day that doesn't hook up. What's going on? It's got 3 trebles, mate. Could be whiting. Yeah, last time I caught a whiting on one of those. Could be whiting, giving it a go. It's kind of an electric bite. Could be whiting picking the back of it. There's a big stingray here. There's another stingray here. Yep, got him. Got him. That's a better one. That's a better one. I'm gonna go back to the beach for this one. Not a monster, but that's definitely a better fish. Yeah, he's nice. He was out there in the middle. Took the lure as soon as he hit the water, pretty much. And I cast it quite far. Be careful, it's full of stingrays here. So we're gonna go back to the beach for this one. Yeah, maybe even pushing 50. This one, not a bad fish at all. Not gonna complain. If we got 2 or 3 like this, we're gonna have a dinner sorted for the 2 families. Beautiful fish this afternoon. Right in the mid to high 40s. The other one was, I guess, in that 40-41 mark. Usually don't keep them that small. Still legal, but usually don't keep them that small. But I just hooked one of his eyes, and you know, ooh, big stingray. Woo, massive. Holy shit. It's not very deep at all. I think last time was getting deeper in here. It's all very shallow Very constant depth at the moment. Yep, got another one. Everything is out there. Look, look. It's going nuts. I don't think it's that big, but if you can give me a hand landing it with a net, that's gonna save us from going back to the... Whoa, 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 whoa. It's going nuts now.
Here we go.
Definitely legal. Whoa, 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 whoa. My lead is not gonna last very long. Okay, good stuff. Another legal fish. That,
More than enough for you.
that's more and more looking like we're gonna have a family dinner.
Bloody Ito. That's a beautiful fly.
Very nice flatty. Mid-40s, I would say. Similar to the previous one. Good stuff. Perfect table size fish. I think I got this last one somewhere in the middle that way. We can probably slowly move this way and keep peppering this area.
The flatty whisperer is killing them today again. So it would be nice to contribute to that dinner. So I just put in a few casts right there. And making sure we don't step on anything nasty, like plenty of stingrays around here. No. Yeah, got a small one. Small one again.
Oh, little one. But they're right in the middle, eh?
Yeah. Surfing flatty. Gonna check the size on this. It's a little bit thicker. This is just legal. Do you want it?
Let's keep it, because we might end up getting a nice dinner out of this session. Yeah, and hooking flatties can be a two-man job. Especially with a double clutch.
Oops, I caught your GoPro.
That's all.
Perfect, thanks.
Beautiful. They're all very nice. So what was that? I was just right in the middle.
In the middle of the...
Yeah, same with me before. I think there is a bit more depth in there. It took me a little bit to get it down to the bottom. That's probably why. They're probably on the edge of that drop off or something. That's probably why they're there. Because now I cast it a little bit further and it took me a few twitches to get down to the bottom. Ooh, look at the stingray here. I didn't see him. I only saw the tail, and now I can see him perfectly. Shit, I don't want to step on this guy. I definitely don't want to step on this. It's been about an hour 15 since we started. Baz caught 2, I caught 3, I believe, or 4, I can't remember. And yeah, 3 I think. So that's not too bad. The girls are actually asking us to go back. Probably the kids are a little bit impatient. But anyway, I'll keep flicking as we go. And otherwise, if I don't catch anything else, that's a pretty good result. 4 flatties in about an hour and in a bit. It's not too bad. We found them where we wouldn't expect them to be, right just in the middle, but it could be that there is a bit of a drop off and they're sitting on the edge. That's also a possibility. But anyway, keep flicking and see. Oh, got one. I got one when I was my lure was sitting there. I'm just gonna land this guy. Oh. Can you believe this? I had my lure sitting there and I was talking to the camera and a flatty came and ate it. Look at him. I think so. Did I lose him? Oh yeah, it was small anyway. But yeah, he's got another one. Yeah, there are some big units. Yep, got him. Oh no. He doesn't move. I think I snagged it up. I want to go check it if it's not too deep. I'm just gonna check for stingrays. Is it far? No, it doesn't seem to be too far. Probably only snagged up. Oh no, it is a stingray. Oh no, I've got a stingray. Oh shit, I stepped into one. Oh no, this thing is gonna spool me. Okay. Well, I'm glad I still got the leader. Lost my lure, unfortunately. So, just lost my lure, as you can see. Because of the bloody stingray. It's full of stingrays here. And when I was walking back with this stingray, I stepped onto one. So I'm very lucky I didn't get stung. But yeah, it's very hard to see because of the glare. Sun is coming down and doesn't let me see very well. But yeah, if you guys doing this, be very careful with stingrays. Anyway, it's good fun listening to the drag run. Anyway, we'll see what the girls are doing and maybe call it a day. And we're gonna be here for another 3-4 days more, 3 days more I think. So I'm sure we're gonna get another few flatties and we can make a good dinner. So anyway, thanks for tuning in again. I'm sorry for the lack of content lately, but yeah, I should have some bass action soon. I'm gonna go check out one of the creeks that I like up this way. So yeah, thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next one.